First of all, I think it's due to the personality, or rather the lack of it, that nobody's sitting in front. They can see the, sorry. Thank you. Come, please.
Heights. He's written wonderful books, has come out with...
मुझे करना है क्या, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता, आप लोगों ने इतना बोल दिया, मैं खाना बनाना कुछ चम्मच वगैरह पकड़ाते खाना बना लेता. I think that's why it's thank you very much. As Raghav said, it's a rainy day and उसमें कुछ you save the best for the rainy day, and I was asking Ajay, तो saving की इतनी बात हो रही है, थोड़ा सेव पापड़ी वगैरह कुछ खिलाना चाहिए. So but no, it's been a wonderful journey at Food, and I'm very happy that we are celebrating a lot today. It's not just two shows. I think it's a celebration of food that we believe has to be celebrated at Food, and it's not just food, but the way definition of food has changed. Today, people in fashion look up to food. And you may ask, I was with the president of Fashion Association and Garment Association, and he said, you know what, if your industry does not do well, it directly impacts us, maybe more than you guys. I said, how's that? He says, जब लोग बाहर खाने के लिए जाते हैं, तभी बढ़िया बढ़िया कपड़े पहनते हैं, तभी तो नए नए कपड़े पहनते हैं. Imagine people who are not going out will be down and down. So there's so much that revolves around food, and I'm glad that we are in it, and we are in it in a position of strength, and I'm glad that we took the position of leadership. Leaders also have the tough task of creating a path for others to follow, which I'm glad that that is being followed. And as we said when we launched that food would be next entertainment, and today it's proven that food is the next entertainment, and you can see all around you that the way food is being celebrated. And in that celebration, I think we would have lots more shows, new shows, and we have all our partners with us. We have Amrita, we have Shailendra, we have Saransh, we have Anupa, Shantanu, we have all our chefs, all our hosts here. I'm very happy. I'm sure that we are missing a few. I don't see Harpal, he stays very close by. But I'm very glad that we have been able to work with them, and they have helped us make food something which we all are really proud of. And now Chef Ajay, who's been very well known, who's joining the family at Food. Welcome to Food family, Ajay. And thank you, Westin, for hosting this for us. And I'm sure that we'll take this partnership ahead. I'm sure that you have questions in mind. We'll do all of that, but I don't know the sequence of event is. I should know, but that's me. I don't know. That's how I cook. Because I believe that when you are cooking, you have to do it from the heart. This has to be impromptu. This has to be something that you should not plan or rehearse, because that's when you create. Otherwise, you are staging things. Otherwise, you're copying. So, to me, I'll leave that to someone who knows the stage best, and we are all here to answer any questions, but I'm sure that you have your things. Yeah. No, go ahead, please call others, and I'm sure that we will do more talking. I don't want to do. Welcome to Westin. He's the general manager and whatever. Well, do you still call yourself general manager? You are, okay, good. Anurag, I'm not for, I don't know. So you are this one? Yeah.
First of all, thank you, Chef, for giving me the opportunity.
आज का दिन बहुत खास दिन है, क्योंकि एक्चुअली मेरा शो लॉन्च हो चुका है. अभी फिलहाल 5 बज रहे हैं, वो 4 बजे एयर हो चुका है. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर whosoever has watched. But the day is special because when Chef called me and said that my show is actually airing 3 days later. Do you think it's a good idea to do it together? I said, well, it's a fantastic idea because, I get the honor of standing like this. So thank you very much, Chef, for that honor. And talking about food, I've been, everybody knows Chef Sanjeev Kapoor, but I got to know Chef Sanjeev only years back when I started interacting with him. And certain things which he said about food and which he believed about food is phenomenal. And we started talking about .coms, and I still remember he said that, if there is a .com, why cannot be .food? That's a thought which kind of nobody thinks about. So that's how much he's passionate about his food. That's how much he's passionate about the industry. And that's what all of this is all about. So, this is a time where we're celebrating food, and there is another personality in this genre which I would like to tell you about, without whom I would have never been standing on the stage, and that's Mr. Anurag Bhatnagar, our Area General Manager of Western Pune and Western Mumbai. So Mr. Bhatnagar is the Area General Manager for Western Pune and Mumbai, and he, when he heard about this opportunity, he said, "Go, do it." So if you get that kind of a push, then it also becomes very easy for you to perform. And I think the show is all about celebrating good food. There is lots more to talk about high tea, but I think as we see the promo, I'll talk more about it in a while.
Hi, good evening everyone, and thanks for being here. I'm standing between a superstar and our own in-house superstar, now a public face in India, Chef Ajay. Two extremely passionate individuals, and like Chef Sanjeev said, I've known him for very many years. We studied in the same college, studied as an italics, as he rightly said. And with Chef Ajay, I think we are launching a new genre under Sanjeev's tutelage in terms of what Western stands for. Superfoods is a part, is a concept, a thought process that Western is very, very puts a show on as a part of our Be Well program. And today, amongst many things that Chef Sanjeev and Chef Ajay are doing in the hotel, there is also something that we are launching as the Kitchens of Government, which is something unique as an offering that we are coming together. So I'm sure it's going to be a great evening, and thank you all once again for being here. Thank you.
Hi friends, how are you? Hi work, how are you?
Now that is a very strong concept. Why? Because we have got 3 Kangans in India. One is in Mumbai, one is in Pune, one is in Hyderabad. So there are 3 individual restaurants, but the 3 individual restaurants have very unique dishes, very unique strengths of their own. And today we are actually launching this concept called as Kitchens of Kangan. So I've got chefs from Hyderabad, from Pune and from Mumbai. We all have come together, created a menu which is a strength of all 3 Kangans, and we're going to take this out to the entire country and say that, the brand Kangan is going to really rock with great dishes. So that's what is also getting launched, and we will have some of the tasting portions for all of you to taste after this press conference. Chef Sanjeev, would you like to talk something about Kitchens of Kangan and actually unveil it?
अच्छा, तो पहले मतलब आपने कंगन बीच में बना लिए हैं, ये सही है। मतलब अच्छा लगता है कि जब स्मार्ट लोग हमारे साथ जुड़ते हैं, ये मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है। So I'm always glad, क्योंकि ऐसा है कि हर चीज में स्वाद छुपा है, चखने के बाद में बताएंगे, हैं? तो सब लोग चखें, but I would like to wish both of you and all your team. I have tasted your food, chef, so I know this is fantastic. I would like to wish all the best, and our entire team at Food would like to wish all the restaurants in this country who serve good food, we are with them always, is our promise.
Sir, there's also a second surprise that you have told.
Kapoor. The only difference is he spells it with U. Kapoor is with the U. I'm the poor Kapoor, he is not. He's the producer director of the show, and he is come specially from Tanzania for today. He's leading filmmaker in Tanzania. He's the #1 ad filmmaker in Africa, and this is something he's been passionate about. I don't know how many years we've been talking about this, and this is something which I believe that at Food passion works, and I'm sure out of the world, passionately you can talk about.
Thank you, Sanjeev. I'm a very, very poor speaker. This is perhaps the first time I've gone in front of an audience. But what I can say is that I'm very grateful to Sanjeev. And earlier this evening it was mentioned that the Food channel was a platform for the chefs. And I couldn't have agreed more, but it also is a platform for travel buffs like me, that we could marry travel and food together and come up with this show called Out of the World. Generally, when we experience something good, or taste something good, or see something good, we always have this expression, it's out of the world. And that's precisely what this show is all about. It started with that thought, you know, and also it's a euphemism for something which is great, which is something good. And it's still part of the world. We are going to travel to almost 105 countries, that's what we have planned. And this is just the beginning. We started with Africa because I live in Tanzania. I'm very close to the country. I'm not there very long, but the country has given me a huge opportunity to do many, many things. And we have set up a production unit there, which is we are the leading producers of television program, not television program, this is the first television program, of commercials and documentaries. And I'm grateful to Sanjeev and to Food Channel for giving me this opportunity. That's all I can say. Thank you.